Technology has come so far that turning your ideas into breathtaking images and videos is now just a few clicks away, all thanks to AI. But what if you could access the world's top AI tools, all in one place, ready to bring your creative visions to life effortlessly? With Rubbarband, that dream becomes a reality. It's easier than you can imagine. Let's join hands and shape the future of creativity together. Getting started with Rubbarband is a breeze. Here's how. First, head over to the Rubbarband website. Click the Get Started for Free button in the top right corner. You can sign up with your personal email or simply log in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will find the User Profile menu in the bottom left corner. This menu lets you log in or out, check your account balance, and see your available credits. To check out the available plans, click the Pricing option at the top right corner of the site. Free plan. Creating an account is completely free. As a bonus, you will receive 80 free tokens daily to generate images and videos. Your credits are replenished every day, allowing up to 100 generations per day. Need more? The standard plan costs $25 per month and gives you 4,000 tokens per month, plenty for more ambitious projects. It's easy, flexible, and perfect for creators of all levels. Want more free tokens? Here's how. At the bottom left corner of the site, click the Get Free Credits option. A pop-up will appear, explaining that you can earn 25 tokens per platform by following Rubbarband on social media accounts like X and Discord. This simple method lets you rack up extra tokens for generating more images without spending a dime. Now, let's head back to the Home section and click on the Community tab. Here, you will find amazing works generated by other users. Click on any image to see a larger version. If you are curious about how an image was created, click on the Configure option. This reveals all the technical details, including the prompt, negative prompt, and the model used for generation. At the top of the home page, you will see two tabs, Image and Video. By default, it's set to the Image tab. In this section, you will find a text box to enter your prompts, a variety of tools designed to help you generate stunning images. With these features, Rubbarband makes it incredibly easy and fun to explore your creativity. Let's talk about the incredible tools Rubbarband offers to bring your creative visions to life. At the top left corner of the prompt box, click on the Text to Image option to reveal a wide range of tools. Text to Image. Turn your ideas into stunning visuals using simple text prompts. Upscale Image. Enhance the size and quality of any image effortlessly. Remove Object. Eliminate specific items from an image by entering a prompt. Change Object. Transform one item into something entirely different with ease. Change Background. Replace an image's background with something new. Discuss Image. Let the AI analyze your image and generate prompts for it. Style Transfer. Apply a brand new style to your image for a fresh look. To create your first masterpiece, click on Text to Image option to start. In the prompt box's top right corner, click the Flux Pro button, a green button. Choose Number of Images. In the Number of Images section, select how many images you want to generate per session, typically 1 to 4. Set the aspect ratio. From the model dropdown, pick a generation model. Flux Schnell is free. Flux Dev, Flux Pro, or Flux Ultra will consume tokens. Check the token cost listed. I went with Flux Pro, which deducts 20 tokens from my daily credits. Click Save. I have a pre-written prompt, so I will paste it here in the text box. Here's how easy and exciting it is to generate and download stunning images with Rubbarband's powerful AI. After entering your detailed prompt, click the blue button in the top right corner of the prompt box to start the image generation process. Your prompt will be queued, and after a short wait, 4 image thumbnails will appear. Click on any thumbnail to see the images in full size. The first image I generated, Dwayne Johnson in a Santa Claus outfit next to a cool snowman on a snowy day, was absolutely stunning. Rubbarband brought my vision to life perfectly. Use the download button in the top right corner of any full-sized image to save it to your device or hover over a thumbnail. Click the arrow icon and choose the download option from the drop-down menu. Now, let's test the capabilities of another AI model. Paste a new pre-written prompt into the text box. Click the hamburger icon in the model section and choose Flux Ultra, which deducts 28 tokens per generation. Click the blue button to start. After a brief moment, 4 new thumbnails are displayed. The images generated by Flux Ultra were fantastic. It's still mind-blowing how seamlessly this technology turns text into vivid visuals. From the left menu, select the gallery option to access all your previously generated works. Click on any thumbnail to open the image in a larger size using a slider view. If an image didn't turn out as expected, use the trash can icon at the bottom of the slider to delete it. For example, I removed an image that had technical issues during generation. Let's try Rubbarband's Flux Schnell, which allows free image generation. Paste a pre-written prompt or enter a prompt into the text box. Click the hamburger icon in the top right corner of the text box. From the model drop-down, choose Flux Schnell. This model doesn't deduct tokens. Click Save, then hit the blue button to queue your prompt. After a short wait, 4 thumbnails will appear. Click on one to view the images. The images generated using Flux Schnell was excellent. Even as a free model, its text-to-image conversion is highly impressive. Can the Flux Dev model deliver amazing results? Let's find out. Paste another pre-written prompt into the text box. Click the hamburger icon in the model section. Choose Flux Dev from the drop-down menu. This model deducts 8 tokens per generation. Click the image generation button. After a few seconds, 4 thumbnails will appear. Click on one to view the images in a larger size. The images generated by Flux Dev were acceptable and showcased impressive text-to-image conversion capabilities. Hover over the thumbnails, click the arrow icon, and select Download from the drop-down menu to save the images to your device. Flux Dev truly stands out for its reliable performance, offering remarkable results for a modest token cost. Rubbarband truly offers incredible tools and flexibility, making it easy for anyone to create stunning visuals. Rubbarband's AI is a game changer, making creative image generation simple, fun, and endlessly impressive. Rubbarband goes beyond image generation by giving you access to major AI video generators like Runway, Kling, Minimax, Hyper. These platforms offer cutting-edge features such as text-to-video and image-to-video conversions. Next, I will demonstrate how to animate static images and transform them into stunning videos. Stay tuned. Let's transform a static image into a video using Rubbarband's powerful video tools. On the home page, click on the Video tab, then select the Start Frame option. Use the Upload tab to select an image from your computer, or select an image previously generated from the Select from Gallery tab, then click Upload. In the first slot, click on Generation 3, the default option. A list of renowned video generation models appears. For this example, I choose Gen 3 Alpha Turbo from Runway. Set the aspect ratio. Since I am creating content for YouTube, I set the aspect ratio to 16:9. In the text box, describe what should happen in the image and which elements to animate. For instance, I wrote, "The Joker in this image should smile and get excited." Click Generate. Hit the blue Generate button. The prompt is queued, and in a short time, the static image is animated by Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. The animated video opens in an online editor. Playing the video is nothing short of astonishing. A previously motionless image has been brought to life. Watching the Joker smile and get excited feels surreal. Rubbarband's capability to animate static images demonstrates the incredible potential of modern AI. With just a few clicks, you can breathe life into images, turning your creative ideas into dynamic, captivating videos. Did this tutorial teach you something new? If so, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. A whole new adventure is just beginning. The next video will be even more unbelievable, so make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and don't miss a thing. AI is shaping the future, and you can be a part of this exciting change. Stay tuned for the next tutorial. It's going to blow your mind.